Hi, welcome to Craft Like Nobody's Watching. This is part of my gnome series. Today I'm making a hat for a fisherman gnome. I watched a video by Sarah Nenny Dare on YouTube, and now I'm going to try that and make my own hat mold. So I get some household objects. This is just a stack of sundae cups and a plastic container lid. Saran wrap it so I can keep it all clean and it'll be easier to remove from my hat when it's done. So you need thin material so the glue will saturate it and an elastic to hold it on the mold. Now you want to pleat the material when you're gluing it so it'll lay nice and neat. Don't worry about the excess material out at the edge of the hat because we will trim and have the right size brim later. It takes some arranging to get it arranged nice and neatly under the elastic. So, I've sped it up here, but it does take a little time. So once you're ready, use the white glue or Mod Podge and thoroughly coat it, getting under all your pleats everywhere. And then on the second coat, now I'm going to make sure I get under my elastic really well and out to the very edge. Good. Now you can let that dry. You'll want to do a couple coats, let it dry in between, or use the hair dryer to speed it up. So after everything's dry the second time, I cut the elastic off and then I trimmed the brim, cutting it along the edge of my container cover, my mold. Then once it was all done, I removed it from the mold. The last thing I did was give it a clear, glossy coat of spray just to protect it. This sealer is a glossy coat and it will just give it that extra layer of protection. Hope you enjoyed. Have a good day.